Welcome to Bayou Segnette State Park, located just 8 miles west of New Orleans. If you're coming to visit the city, this is the place you want to stay. If you're new to the channel, we invite you to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that notification bell to get future notifications of upcoming videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So my wife and I wanted to visit New Orleans, Louisiana, but we found the issue of most of the parks in the area are very expensive. So we ended up finding this state park here with a rate of just over $30 a night, which greatly fit our budget. And a bonus to that was it kept us outside of the main city, so we weren't in that mad dash all the time, but we are close enough to the city that we can get there when we want to. All right, guys, we hope you enjoy the tour of this amazing state park campground. This is an amazing state park to visit if you are wanting to visit the area, and the best value you will probably find. The park is located not far off of I-10, but I will say the roads are very packed most of the time, being so close to the city. As long as you drive safe, you will be good. The park is located right on the Bayou Segnette River, and you will have several boat docks to go out on the water if that is your thing. Plus, for us, this was our first time, and we got to see a levee system, and that was very cool. The park also offers 2.8 miles of hiking trails and plenty of more miles of walking around just in the park. They have a massive wave pool for use when it is in season. It was not open during our stay, so we did not get to enjoy that. There is plenty of nature to see here as well, all around this park. It was really incredible. If fishing is your thing, then you can do both fresh and saltwater fishing in different areas of the park. They offer cabin rentals on the river as well for $150 to $175 per night, and the cabins actually set on the water, which is really cool to stay in and see. There's an amazing day visit area as well, with tons of stuff to do and see there for everyone. I think the day passes are around $3 per car. Now, let's get to the main attraction, the campground. The campground has 98 campsites that are all back-in sites. They offer water and power only. There is no sewer hookups at this park. There is a dump station at the front of the campground if you need it during your stay. Each site has tons of room, which is amazing. This park is also very pet friendly, allowing pets pretty much to go anywhere they want to in the park except inside of buildings. But they do require that all pets be kept on a leash at all times when you're out in the park. Some sites have a porch area with them, some sites do not. Our site unfortunately did not, but the next time we would like to have one that has a porch, because that's really neat to go out and be able to sit on that and have a good area. There are 2 shower houses with restrooms for the campground to use that are very nice as well. They also have 2 laundry rooms on site for the campers to use, which is really cool because you don't see that at very many state parks. While in the campground, they have very cool wooden walkways through the marshlands in the park too. Our puppies loved walking on that, and we enjoyed it as well. It's just a way to get off the main road and kind of off the beaten path and see some of the marshland around the park. The cell service at this park is 1 to 2 bars with no booster on AT&T or Verizon. You can easily double that if you've got some sort of booster installed. We used ours and it took us up to 3 to 4 bars on most occasions. If you are just checking email or general browsing, you will be good with what you get without a booster. But for streaming or things like that, you will definitely need to put the booster in place. This park also has Wi-Fi that is okay for general use as well, but not for streaming. So again, if you're going to use it for email, you're in good shape, but for streaming and higher use of data, it's probably not going to work out as well. Overall, this place was just really cool. We really liked the campground. We actually probably enjoyed the campground more than we did the city, so that was a cool thing for us, but it was also very fun being so close to New Orleans and being able to go into it for mine and Jessica's both first time of visiting the city here. That was amazing as well. So once again, we invite you to hit that subscribe button down below if you have not, and ring that notification bell. Also, if you will, please hit that like button and help this video get seen out. And leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think about this campground, and also let us know if you plan on coming to New Orleans or if you have been here and what you thought about it during your visit. We really enjoyed our stay at this campground and highly recommend it as a place to stay if you are wanting to come to visit the city. Thank you all so much for watching this campground tour today, and we hope you enjoyed it. Bye, y'all.
Bye.